Hello everyone, I welcome you back on my channel. Today's conversation we will start with a question that why does a newly born baby stops crying when he is in his mother's lap, not in anyone else's lap? So let's begin with the topic of the day, Mooladhar Chakra. There are 7 chakra present in our body, which includes of Sahasra, Anjana, Vishuddha, Anhata, Manipura, Swadhisthana, and Mooladhara chakra. What we are going to discuss today is about the first chakra, that is the root chakra or the Mooladhara chakra. Mooladhar word is composed of two Sanskrit words, Moola, which means root, and Adhara, which means base or support. This chakra is located in the base of the spine and the color used to denote it is red. A well balanced root chakra gives you a sense of safety which is very necessary for individual to explore and try new things in life. Also, root chakra very easily gets blocked or misaligned when there is certain tragic event that takes place in an individual's life which leads to stress and insecurity. Root chakra also causes survival instincts, that is, the flight and the fright hormone, to respond. Malfunctioning of the root chakra can lead to arthritis, sciatica, weight loss, constipation, eating disorders, lower back pain, immune disorders, bone disorders, colon problems, or renal problems. So you can imagine that a disturbed or underactive root chakra can affect your overall health. Thus, if you are suffering from any of the upper mentioned issues, it is required that you activate and stimulate your root chakra. So, let's learn how to activate or strengthen or stimulate your root chakra. One of the ways to stimulate your root chakra includes of by performing asanas. Asanas includes of Malasana, Balasana, Warrior Pose, Bridge Pose, Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation, Shavasana or Janu Sheesh Asana. Another way is by using essential oils such as cedar oil, clove oil, or cypress oil, as aromatherapy has healing property that awakens the feeling of security and safety. Thus, when the baby is in his mother's lap, his root chakra gets activated by the smell of his mother and he feels protected and stops crying. Another way is by chanting Bija Mantra Lam. Also, you can stimulate root chakra by walking barefoot, about which we have already learned in our previous videos, as walking barefoot stimulates the feeling of grounding. One can also go for gardening or go for long nature walks. Thank you for watching. We'll meet next week.